Hi guys, it's Nash and I'm back again with another video. And this video guys is not just an ordinary trip flip because this trip flip is in celebration for my 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Guys, you know you've been there since the start of my ugly trip flips and now still a little bit less ugly trip flip because I have nice lighting maybe. No? Anyway, guys, I'm really happy to all the people who's there even if you're just fake YouTube account and real YouTube account. I'm just really happy that you guys are there from the start. And now I'm on my 1,000 subscriber mark. And I hope you'll be there until I get to 1 million, 2 million, 75 million subscribers. I'm so happy guys. Talaga. Sa lahat ng naniwala po sa akin, sa lahat ng hindi nagsawa sa pagmumukha ko, at sa lahat ng nagsabing bakit ang pabebe ko sa YouTube. Guys, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for supporting me sa mga napilitang mag-subscribe dahil feeling nila may giveaway ako sa pa 1K ko. I'm sorry guys. I tried. I really wanted to give a giveaway, but pero kasi naman, you know the situation naman guys. Number one, hindi ko alam kung anong bibiling ko. Anong papag-giveaway ko? Bigas? Number two, kung bigas man yun, paano ko ipapadala sa inyo? Mas mahal pa ata yung Lala Move. Mas mahal pa ata yung padala kaysa sa bigas, right? So, let's wait na lang once everything is over. I mean, everything is normal, then we could do a legit giveaway for you guys. Anyway, guys, sobrang salamat po talaga sa lahat ng aking subscribers. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano kasaya ang binigay nyo sa aking saya, swear. Kasi, you know, I love validation. And you know, yung 1,000 validation na yun for my 1,000 subscribers is more than enough for me to feel secure. Oh, guys, ang ganda ko. Anyway, guys, this video is another trip flip for you and where it all started, right? Sa pag-trip flip, sa pag-uukay, and ang aking celebration na ito ay gumawa na naman po ako at nagpalit naman po ako ng damit. So, if you guys are interested to see what I did, then let's get into the video. Bye!
Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey.
So, I got the dress from, ukay-ukay, medyo mahal, 115 pesos, kasi feeling ko medyo formal style siya. Pero nung sa fitting room, okay naman. Pero nung sinuot ko siya sa bahay, parang hindi na siya okay. Then ayaw na rin akong palagi ng nanay ko sa suotin, kasi medyo manipes siya. So, what else would I do? To stock it inside my closet or to thrift flip it, right? So, my plan is to make it like a beach dress because maybe I can't really wear it outside like that because of this super thin fabric. So I'll just make it look like a beach wear and wear it once everything gets to normal, when everything gets back to normal, and I'm back in my element, I'm back in the beach. So, very complicated trip flip, but it's worth it. So let's get into the tutorial video. Bye!
First thing to do is to put the clothes straight to the floor and plan on where, how long, what I want it to be. I'm planning to make this part as the bodies part, and this part is where the cup goes. Okay. So I'm gonna get a bra and use it as a guide. So finally, I removed the top. Now, use the bra as a guide for the deep parts of the top. I have the drawing. After cutting this, I'm going to use the cut piece as a guide for the other part. Now you can see the parts are cut. We're going to set aside this first because we will do the cups first before doing this. Okay, cut the sleeves in half, and that will be the one we're going to use as the bra cup. So cut it straight, and this will be the curved part. So 2 sleeves, okay? So you have to do 2 bra cups. So now this will be the 2 bra cups, we're going to put elastics here, 2 elastics, and make sure the elastic would be the same length as the previous curve we did on the top. So you have to measure it first before putting it here. So now here's the elastic. I'm going to measure it. How long would it be? And I will insert it to the 2 bra cups. So I'll cut it and insert it there. Now that you have 2 bra cups, the next thing to do is to base stitch the sides and scrunch it. So when you stitch this, make sure to leave long threads on both ends so you could pull it so that it will be gathered. So the thing is, we're going to gather the cup before sewing it to the top. So finally, here are the 2 cups that we're going to attach to that one, to the curve we made. So make sure that when you attach it, the gathering will be uniform, not like there will be lots of gather here without gather here. So the cup should be uniformed. So now it's time to attach it there. See? Now finally it's attached. The next thing to do are the sleeves. Yay! Cutesy, cutesy. But first, just hem the back part before attaching the sleeves. We're done with the top. Now we're going to make the sleeves. These are the remaining cloth. Hopefully we could make sleeves from this. Let's make 2 rectangles, so that will be equal 4. 2 rectangles, then attach it together to create a long fabric. Then for that, we just got it here and attach it to the sides and put elastics. Hem and put elastics all around. So that would make the gartered sleeves. Yay! So it's done. The sleeves are attached. The one with the garters, they're attached, and it's now time to try it.
You learned something from the video and be inspired to also thrift and flip your clothes. And once again, guys, I am very, very thankful for all of you 1,000 subscribers. Actually, I think it's 1.3 already because late na yung video and ang hirap mag-isip. I tried talaga mag-isip ng giveaway. Sabi ko nga, pwede ba ako magpa-giveaway ng breast fat because I'll give it to you na kung pwede na kita lalamove ng yoga, gagawin ko. So guys, I'm really happy. Thank you very much for everything, for your support. And I promise to make quality content. Yung hindi kayo makikringe, hindi ko talaga ipaprank yung kapatid ko kasi baka masumikat siya sa akin. Natatakot ako. So, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Really, really, really thank you for subscribing. And if you know people that would kind of like what I do, thrift, fashion, how to style, decor, DIYs, then why not ask them to also subscribe to my channel, right? Diba? So thank you guys. Ulit, ang dami ng thank you. I promise to make a giveaway soon once everything is back to normal. But for now, I'm just sending over my virtual hugs and kisses to you. Thank you so much and see you on my next video. Bye!